Hi guys, this is 2006 Toyota Tarago, like a Estima. So V6 2GR engine. This car had a problem is a transmission issue. When we put the gear, sometimes getting check engine light is on. So I scanned the car. I got this code P2716. The pressure control solenoid D electrical that built on the inside of the transmission. The failure of that solenoid. So we have to remove the transmission, then have a look. Okay, we drain the oil, going off the sump. Okay guys, there's the solenoids in here, all the solenoid in here, that side. So we need to find which one is the faulty solenoid, which one the line pressure. I have to replace it. Okay guys, we're going to find which solenoid is faulty. The DSLT solenoid, you can see in here. This solenoid. Okay, you can see the mill state is on, off. Then after that we check the code. Is mill state on. Okay, same code. The pressure control solenoid D electrical, the same code. Okay, this is the faulty solenoid, so we have to replace this solenoid. So we'll first off the filter housing, this one. What? Okay, here's the solenoid faulty. We have to replace this the solenoid. Okay, here's the holding bracket in here. Go in between in here to locking. Okay guys, here's the the new sensor, the aftermarket one. So this is the old sensor. They both look like same. So this sensor is going to put back in. Okay, so new sensor. Skylight in here. Okay. Some plate in there. This. So I'm going to put back the nuts, the bolt. Okay, going to tighten all the 10 mm bolts. Okay. Okay, going to filter back in. There's a one O-ring in here. Okay guys, we put some back in. So then you have to put the oil back in. This is a WS Toyota genuine oil. Okay guys, we're going to put back the oil. It's a drain nut. We completely off this one. Okay, now you can see in here the nut. That one is a 24 mm nut. So okay, you can see the oil plug say WS. He said that's the oil. So I got the genuine WS oil. Say WS, and the nut also say WS. Okay guys, we're going to put back the oil in. So I turn on the machine. Okay guys, it's the pouring oil. Then we start the car, then check the level again. Okay guys, we tied all the bottom bung, no any oil leak in there, and we tied the 24 nut. That's all. So erase the cord is gone. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.